Today, we'll show you how to go from a 3D model to a finished multicolor 3D print.
This model was made by Printed Obsession.
Akali is one of the champions from League of Legends. But I've never seen you win at that game.
We're making the KDA version of Akali. In this case, style is more important than skill. Let's import the model into Prusa Slicer. Before I start painting, I'll quickly cut the model into pieces so it won't need as much support material.
Looks good. Let's start painting.
I'll use 5 colors: black, white, pink, green, and yellow. A good practice is to try to avoid painting with really thin lines, since these often don't get printed properly. But sometimes thin lines can give you a cool effect. I thought this might make the jacket look pretty neat.
After double checking our print settings, we'll send it off to print.
At 0.2mm layer height, this part of the model took 28 hours and required more than 2,000 tool changes. But look, no failures whatsoever. I'm counting this as a victory. Next, I'll attach the legs.
Look, it even balances on its own.
While you were busy admiring the print, I went and printed another one. What do you think?
Oh, this one seems to lack some color.
Just wait until I turn off the lights.
Whoa, it's glowing.
This version was printed with glow-in-the-dark PLA.
Nova, I think your win rate will be much higher if you stick with 3D printing instead of gaming.
I don't know. Maybe I just need to find a game I'm good at.